Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to switch account in YT Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to switch accounts in your YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen and you'll land over here. Now in order to switch account, you can see the switch account option available for us just above the settings. Tap on switch account and this interface will appear with all of your logged in accounts over here. Now in order to switch your account on the YouTube Music app, after landing over here, tap on the account on which you want to log in into your YouTube Music app like this, and you can see, guys, let's close this, and with that being done, guys, your account will be changed on the YouTube Music app like this, guys. And guys, these are the switch account in YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.